Carolina, Naga City. Principal, Pamida L. Ebora. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School. Current staff, Cadet Major Axel Zander R. Prado, Car Commander. Cadet Major Mario A. Camaro Jr. S1. Cadet Major Dave Kent Orjales S2. Cadet Major Cadet Major Micaela Arceno S3. Cadet Major Mike Gabriel Gabiazo S4. Cadet Major Ariana Clarity B. Talay S5. Major Leader Mary Hazel Siguenza, Band Leader Jamel Khan Nicolas, Company Commander. Cadet Captain John Kenneth Lack, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J.P. Lack, First Platoon Leader, Boys. Cadet First Lieutenant Renzel J.P. Tuazon, Second Platoon Leader, Girls. Cadet First Lieutenant Eureka May O. Nacion, CAT Facilitator Edmar Patricio, Band Advisor Elmar Paro, Major Trainer Joanne Ayarinota, Nia Jane Aguilar, Band Master Trainer Marlon Delfino. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City.
Ang tayo sa ito, 3-1. Tapos,
Hindi bali apat lang. Hindi bali apat. Tatlong round. Ay, tatlong round lang yan. Itutok. Tatlong round lang yan. Tayo.
Thank you. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Next entry number 6, La Victoria High School.